How do I delete a friend on Facebook without them knowing or finding out?
Hello, viewers. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete a friend on Facebook without them knowing or finding out. It's a simple process, and we'll guide you through every step to ensure you're able to do this discreetly and effectively.
Why would you want to unfriend someone discreetly?
Sometimes, we might find ourselves connected with people on Facebook who we no longer want to interact with or whose posts we no longer want to see. However, we might not want them to know that we've unfriended them. Thankfully, Facebook doesn't send a notification when you unfriend someone, but if the person checks, they might be able to figure it out. Let's learn how to unfriend someone without raising their suspicions.
How do you unfriend someone on Facebook?
First, log in to your Facebook account. Then, navigate to the profile of the person you want to unfriend. Underneath their profile picture, you should see a box that says Friends. Click on that box, and in the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Unfriend. Click on Unfriend, and they will be removed from your friend list. But remember, this could potentially be noticeable to them if they check your friend list or notice they can no longer see your posts.
Is there a more discreet way to stop seeing someone's posts?
Yes, there is. If you simply want to stop seeing someone's posts, you might want to consider unfollowing them instead of unfriending them. By doing this, you'll remain friends on Facebook, but you will no longer see their posts in your newsfeed. They won't know that you've unfollowed them. To unfollow someone, navigate to their profile, click on the Friends box underneath their profile picture, and select Unfollow from the drop-down menu.
What about restricting their access to your posts?
If you want to limit what a particular friend sees on your Facebook without unfriending them, you can add them to your restricted list. When you restrict a friend, they'll only be able to see your public content or posts you tag them in. So, if you have your privacy settings set to Friends Only, they won't see anything you post. To add someone to your restricted list, go to their profile, click on the Friends box underneath their profile picture, and select Add to another list. Then, select Restricted from the drop-down menu. And that's it, folks. That's how you can unfriend, unfollow, or restrict someone on Facebook discreetly. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, but when that's not possible or desirable, these tools can help you manage your Facebook interactions. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.